Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've really been feeling the reds recently, so I did this sort of ombre eyeliner and lip for you guys. If you guys want to see how to recreate this, please keep watching. First of all, I'm going to start by setting my eyelid, and I'm just going to use my excess foundation on my sponge from when I applied my makeup and just make sure there are no creases. And I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread on my Beau Belle E1 brush. So for this look today, I'm going to be using Morphe's 3502 Second Nature palette. I'm going to start by warming up my crease with this orangey brown color. That's the third row, third color. I'm going to go in using my Makeup Forever 218 blending brush. You want to go all the way into the inner 3/4 of your eyelid. I'm also going to go in with a clean fluffy brush, and this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A26 brush. And I'm just going to use this to blend out any lines, as always. So using the same brush, I'm just going to go in and deepen it up with this dark browny red color. That's the 4th row, 6th color. You can also just blend out the inside of your eye too, as well as the outside. So next to my liner, I'm going to go in with Tarte's Tarteist Double Take Liner in brown. I'm going to use that for my inner corner and wing, and then I'm going to use some of this Morphe lipstick in Bonnie and blend that into the center of my liner. You know what, I'm also going to do an inner corner highlight, so before I continue my wing, I'm just going to do that really quick. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush for that. And I'm going to go in with this goldish champagne color. It's the 2nd color in the 1st row. Now I'm going to continue with the liner, because I want to bring it in to the center. I'm going to start it back here and continue it into a wing. And now for the red, I'm just going to take some of this and put it on my little metal palette and use my brush to just continue this liner. So now, just to make this eyeliner pop a little bit more, I'm going to go over the brown with this dark red brown that I used in my crease and this bright red for the red lipstick. And I'm going to be using this Morphe M508 brush. But I'm going to go in with this Morphe S28 brush, this is the smudger brush, and take that first orangey brown color we used in our crease and smudge that under my eye. And then I'm going to take the darker brown and do the same thing, but closer. Then I'm going to use that brush I used to blend out my colors and just blend those out. For my lashes, I'm going to be going in with Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in Sassy Lady. Now for mascara, as always, I'm going to be using Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. So for blush, I'm going to go in with Morphe's blush palette. This is the 8W. And I'm going to go in with MUA on this Sigma F15 brush. And then for highlight, I'm going to go in with Livin the Highlight by Inglot and Jennifer Lopez. I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH06 brush to highlight my cheeks. For my nose, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And then my lip. Also quickly for my brow bone, I'm going to go back into this light champagne shade on that same brush I used to highlight my inner corner. Okay, so lastly for lips, I'm going to go in with these two Morphe lipsticks, and I'm going to go in with Bonnie that I use for my eyeliner, and this one is Nibble. So I'm going to start off with Nibble, and I'm going to use a small brush to apply this. I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills number 3. And I'm gonna go in with the bright red. This looks so weird right now. I'm gonna take a little blending brush and just kind of and this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look and want to recreate it. I've really been digging the reds, so if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.